Good day, learners. Let's quickly look at this question. Question says calculate the number of moles of crystallization. So you are given the molar mass of hydrated calcium sulfate. Hydrated meaning that there is water molecules as a coil. In this case, the water molecules Zn. So we are looking for the number of moles of water of crystallization. So in essence, it's very simple. Now that you are given the molar mass of the whole compound, so we are going to separate the compound, this one. So no calcium sulfate, sibale molar mass yakhe, molar mass yakhe. Siyidibanise ne-molar mass ka-NH2O nalapha yi-molar mass. Xa uyidibanisa kuzophuma i-total molar mass, which is 172. Okay, so let's quickly calculate the molar masses. So i-molar mass yalapha ucalcium u-40, ucalcium u-40, ucalcium plus usulfur u-32, then u-oxygen u-16, then by 4. Then i-molar mass yalapha ke ngoku izophuma ingubani, then we press the calculator, plus n into eka-H2O ke i-molar mass ingu-18, which is equal to 172. So let's press calculator here. Here ingu-136 plus n into 18. Remember 18 molar mass ka-water, xa iyi-1 then 172, but asibazi abangaphi ke ngoku aba-water. Then we are going to solve for n, then you transpose. So kweli cala soshiya nabani no n into 18, which is equal to 172. This one is a figure negative, then 136. Then you press the calculator there. So n is equal to 18. 172 minus 136 is supposed to be 36. Yes, it should be 36. Then we divide by 18, divide by 18. Then we get the answer